You are welcome to this channel. Don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Rivers State Assembly Speaker Honorable Martin Amayewule distributes luxury cars to aides. According to a media post on Saturday, October 11, 2025, by the Special Assistant to the Speaker, Martin Wachuku, the Speaker of the House, Rivers State House of Assembly, Honorable Martin Chike Amayewule, has once again demonstrated his generosity and exceptional leadership by gifting brand new luxury cars to four of his dedicated aides. It was gathered that the gesture was in recognition of the aides' loyalty, hard work, and unwavering commitment to duty since assuming their roles in the Speaker's office. The vehicles, which include premium Toyota SUVs and sleek sedans, were presented to the beneficiaries during a brief but colorful ceremony held at the Speaker's residence in Port Harcourt, the Rivers State capital. The event was attended by close associates, lawmakers, and members of the Speaker's media and administrative team, who applauded the gesture as a reflection of Amayewule's leadership style, one grounded in appreciation, inclusiveness, and reward for service. In his remarks, the Speaker commended his aides for their dedication and professional conduct, noting that their support has been instrumental in ensuring the smooth running of legislative and administrative duties in the Assembly. He described the car gift as a token of gratitude for their unwavering commitment. Leadership is about carrying people along and recognizing those who stand by you through challenges and successes. Amayewule said, these vehicles are not just gifts, but symbols of appreciation for your selfless service and the trust you have earned. The beneficiaries, visibly elated, expressed their gratitude to the Speaker, describing him as a compassionate and visionary leader who values the contribution of his team. They noted that the recognition will motivate them to continue serving with even greater dedication. Right Honorable Amayewule has shown that hard work and loyalty never go unnoticed, one of the recipients said. He leads by example, and this gesture encourages us to do more in supporting his vision for a better and more responsive legislative institution. Observers say the Speaker's consistent display of generosity has strengthened his rapport with colleagues and constituents alike. Over time, Amayewule has earned a reputation for promoting welfare-driven leadership and fostering teamwork within the state legislature. Political analysts also note that the Speaker's gestures are part of his broader effort to maintain unity within the Assembly and to boost morale among his staffs, especially amid the demanding responsibilities of legislative governance in the state. Well, we want to say congratulations to the aides that were given those luxury cars. But be it as it may, I know some Nigerians will still speak against that action. And to a large extent, I don't think there's anything wrong if somebody is working hard and is being rewarded for it. After all, we hear in these nations too that some state give, car gift to best teacher of the year and best civil servant of the year and things like that. So these are good things that encourages some workers even to do more, to put in all their best, and they'll be able to also work tirelessly with the fact that they know that their hard work will not go unnoticed. Now one day it will be rewarded. In this case, the aides of Amewuli probably is, kind of rewarding them for weathering the stormy situation during the times that they had feud even with Governor Fubara at the beginning of the year, I think so, or maybe as from last year. And these people still stood by their speaker. And probably during the period, since there was no money even from the state coffer, even for the legislature, and they already been technically, suspended or impeached or things like that, they were still, in the pursuit of their mandate, which eventually they got it through President Tinubu's declaration of state of emergency and suspension of the executive arm of government in Rivers State, be it as it may as at that time. But now that they are back on ground, of course, their bosses, which is the speaker and all other legislative members, honorable members of the House of Assembly, all of them together, who know have been hungry for a while. Now an opportunity has come for them to chop, and then like in local parlance, to eat, to enjoy themselves and clean mouth. And I think part of the share in the booty is what some people will say the speaker is giving to his aide. For them, of course, how much are they even collecting? And so that will be compared to what the speaker is now giving them, because maybe some of them in their lifetime they may not be able to gather money even to buy such a particular sleek vehicle, when you understand. But today, of course, the speaker has done the right thing to put smiles on their faces. But he shouldn't allow the matter to stay only in the legislative chambers. Even some other members of the House of Assembly also has aides. If they can also do the same thing, not using taxpayers' money, they should be able to fend for those people, even from their own personal investment, and it's going to be very, very good. And after that, every other senior official can also be rewarded, whether in the civil service, even in the judiciary. Everybody should take you to the good gesture, and let's make sure that we create a healthy workforce that are loyal to us, because certain things are key in this particular news, and that is the fact that the speaker was recognizing loyalty. These people, they are bent on supporting him, come rain, come sun, and they weather the storm of the situation together. And I think it's a good thing that he didn't forget them. But the members of the House of Assembly and our legislators, including those who are the executive arm of government, should please remember even to reward good, work, good labor among the workforce. Not that all the time the government will be fighting with labor, pengasing and all those kind of things. You can create time and opportunity like this, even to lighten the burden, even on these civil servants. If one person is rewarded this year, for example, many of them too will want to work harder to gain that recognition. Like they always say during the jingle of Chief MK, that who no like better thing, the thing wey other country dem dey find, e get am. So everybody loves to be recognized, and I think it's going to affect the psychology of everyone working, and they'll be able to put in their best and give the best to Nigeria. But then we must also say that the lawmakers should not be cheering cars to their own cronies at the expense of our commonwealth. They should realize that one. Don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.